Solutions to grand challenges increasingly require reaching across the boundaries of the cyber, physical and human worlds. The B.E Robotics and Automation program at J.N.N Institute of Engineering is different from traditional electrical and mechanical engineering programs and is designed to target the growing and unmet needs. At the intersection of computing, mechatronics, and human behavior, students will be able to design engineering systems that interact with humans and the environment and create solutions to tackle some of India's and the world's most pressing grand challenges. Why choose robotics and automation? The number of robots used worldwide has multiplied threefold in the last 10 years. Demand for robots in India will multiply even faster, reaching 20 lakhs by 2030. COVID-19 has accelerated the need for robots and automation in the workplace. Why study robotics and automation at J.N.N? Fully equipped Robotics and Automation Lab. Access to in-house projects and industrial robots, IIT-B eYantra laboratory. MOUs with industries. Understanding with industries for student, faculty development, and knowledge exchange. Industry student success mentors. Get mentored by experts and professors on robotics and automation. You will learn the following skills to excel in this domain: 3D printing, IoT, sensors and instrumentation, CNC machining, robot programming. Career paths: robotics engineer, robotics system engineer, robots programmer, 3D printing specialist, automation engineer. Robotics and automation engineer can expect a starting salary of 4 to 5 lakhs per annum. J.N.N Institute of Engineering. Empowering young minds. Start your journey with us. For admission inquiries contact 9600057121, 988-428-2631. You can also apply online at jnn.edu.in.